Hello, today we have for you some Christmas decorating ideas for small apartments. Whether you're in a cozy studio, a one-bedroom apartment, or just want to make the most of your space, I've got some fantastic ideas and tips to help you spread the holiday cheer without cramping your style. So let's get started. One of the biggest challenges in small apartments is finding space for a traditional Christmas tree. But fear not, my friends, there are plenty of alternatives that can still bring the magic of a Christmas tree into your home without taking up your entire living room. Wall-mounted trees are perfect for conserving floor space. You can either buy a wall-mounted tree or create your own by arranging ornaments in the shape of a tree on the wall. It's a fantastic space-saving solution. Opt for a small, tabletop-sized Christmas tree. These come in various sizes, and you can place them on side tables or even on your dining table. Decorate it just like a regular tree. Use a wooden ladder as a creative Christmas tree alternative. Hang ornaments, lights, and garlands on the ladder's rungs, creating a unique and space-saving display. If you're feeling really creative, hang ornaments and lights from the ceiling in the shape of a Christmas tree. This not only saves space but also gives your apartment a whimsical, floating tree effect. Attach strings of lights to the wall or frame of a mirror in the shape of a tree. This minimalist option adds a touch of sparkle and is perfect for small spaces. Now that you've got your tree situation sorted, let's talk about lighting. Christmas lights are an absolute must for creating a cozy, festive atmosphere in your apartment. Hang string lights along your walls, around windows, or along the ceiling. They create a warm and inviting ambience. You can also shape them into words like joy or Noel for extra charm. Candles add a soft and cozy glow to any space. You can place them on window sills, coffee tables, or mantles. Be sure to use flameless candles for safety in small spaces. Fill mason jars or glass containers with fairy lights for a magical, twinkling effect. These look great on shelves or as a centerpiece on your dining table. Create your own luminaries using paper bags or mason jars. Cut out holiday shapes, place a tea light inside, and let the warm glow shine through. Now, let's move on to decorations. When decorating a small apartment, it's all about being selective and maximizing the impact of your decor. Set up a mini Christmas village on a side table or the windowsill. These charming figurines create a festive scene without taking up much space. Hang festive wreaths on your front door, windows, or even inside your apartment. They're an iconic Christmas decoration that doesn't require much space. Adorn your windows with window clings, snowflakes, or even a Christmas-themed garland. This adds a touch of holiday spirit both inside and outside your apartment. Use your dining or coffee table as a canvas for holiday decor. Place a runner, a centerpiece, and some festive place settings to instantly transform your space. Storage can be a challenge in small apartments, especially when you add holiday decorations into the mix. Here are some creative storage solutions. Invest in underbed storage containers to keep your Christmas decorations neatly tucked away for the rest of the year. Utilize overdoor hooks to hang wreaths, garlands, or stockings. It's a clever way to make use of vertical space. Opt for stackable, clear bins for your holiday decor. They keep everything organized and visible, making it easy to find what you need next year. If you're buying new furniture, consider pieces with built-in storage. For example, a storage ottoman or a coffee table with hidden compartments can help keep your holiday items out of sight. Adding a personal touch to your Christmas decorations can be incredibly rewarding, and it's a great way to save space by not needing to store lots of items. Create your own ornaments using craft supplies like paper, felt, and ribbon. Personalized ornaments add a special touch to your tree. Fold and cut paper snowflakes to hang in your windows. It's a fun and budget-friendly DIY project that adds a wintry feel to your apartment. Craft your own wreath using items like pine cones, twigs, or even colorful fabric. Not only does this save space, but it also adds a unique, rustic charm to your decor. Get creative and make your own holiday art. Paintings, drawings, or even simple typography-based prints can be framed and hung on your walls for a personalized touch. To make your small apartment feel bigger and more spacious, consider these tips. Mirrors, glass ornaments, and shiny decorations can reflect light and make your space feel larger. Stick to a single color palette for your decorations. This creates a cohesive look that can make your apartment feel less cluttered. Hang decorations vertically, like garlands or wall-mounted trees, to draw the eye upward and make your space appear taller. Invest in furniture that serves multiple functions, such as a sofa bed or a dining table with storage. Don't forget to engage your sense of smell to create a truly immersive holiday experience in your small apartment. Choose candles with scents like cinnamon, pine, or gingerbread. The flickering flames add to the cozy ambience. Create a simmering potpourri on your stovetop with ingredients like citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Your apartment will smell like a winter wonderland. If you can, bring in some fresh pine branches or a small potted Christmas tree for that classic holiday scent. Hang those stockings with care. Even in a small apartment, you can find clever ways to incorporate this classic Christmas tradition. If you have a mantle or a mantle-like ledge, hang your stockings there. If not, consider adding a temporary ledge or using wall hooks. Hang stockings on the back of dining chairs or your desk chair for a space-saving solution that's still full of holiday spirit. Utilize removable wall hooks to hang stockings on your walls. They won't leave any damage when you take them down. To complete your festive atmosphere, don't forget about the holiday tunes and classic Christmas movies. Create a Christmas music playlist that you can play in the background while decorating or hosting guests. Platforms like Spotify have ready-made playlists. Host a cozy Christmas movie night with friends or family. All you need is a comfy seating arrangement, your favorite holiday movies, and some popcorn. If you're lucky enough to have a balcony or even just a small outdoor space, don't forget to spread the holiday spirit outside as well. Hang outdoor string lights, wrap them around your railing, or place them in pots. These create a welcoming holiday vibe for both you and your neighbors. Put a small, potted Christmas tree on your balcony and decorate it. It's a lovely touch that you can enjoy both indoors and out. Hang wreaths and garlands on your balcony railing or around your front door. It's like giving your apartment an extra dose of holiday cheer. For many of us, the holiday season means gatherings with family and friends, often centered around food. But in a small apartment, hosting a traditional dinner can be a challenge. Invest in foldable tables and chairs that can be easily stowed away when not in use. This provides you with more space for other activities during the holiday season. Consider serving food buffet style on a side table or countertop. This allows your guests to help themselves, eliminating the need for a large dining table. If you have access to a balcony or patio, consider hosting a cozy outdoor meal. Just dress it up with some holiday-themed decorations to create a festive atmosphere. In small spaces, finding a place to wrap your gifts can be a challenge. To keep your gifts a surprise and maintain the magic of Christmas, consider these ideas. Use an underbed storage container to store wrapping paper, ribbons, bows, and tape. Pull it out when it's time to wrap, and slide it back under when you're done. Dedicate a small corner or section of your closet for gift wrapping supplies. Hang bags with supplies on hooks, use a small table, and make the most of this compact space. Hang a pegboard on the back of a closet door or on the wall for organizing gift wrapping essentials. You can attach baskets, hooks, and containers to keep everything tidy. And there you have it, my friends. Christmas decorating ideas for small apartments. You don't need a ton of space to create a festive and cozy holiday atmosphere. With a little creativity and some smart space management, you can turn even the tiniest apartment into a winter wonderland. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these tips with your friends. Wishing you a very merry and space-savvy Christmas.